The black line here indicates the height of the underside of the strings. Of course the strings have a little groove to sit in the nut, so it's going to be a little bit higher than the underside of the strings, which is going to be about 2.5 centimeters, as I say here in Dutch. Same case here, the line there indicates the underside of the strings, and I'm going to give it about, well, half a centimeter extra, as I will say in Dutch here again on a piece of paper. Please never be an idiot like me this bit here. It's horrible to watch to me. It makes my skin crawl. You never work with a chisel towards yourself. Normally I don't, but for some reason I decided to be an idiot this day. It happens. Here you can see me do what I normally do when I encounter a challenge. I try to smart ass my way out of doing actual work. It didn't work in this case. I used my chisel sharpening jig, as you can see, and I strapped the bridge to it, but the sandpaper kept sliding around and the whole jig was too wobbly. So I decided to ditch on the method, and I just did it the normal way, which is to put a piece of tape on the place where you want to bridge. You then rub chalk on the piece of tape, then you rub the bridge over it, and then you get chalk on the high points, and you cut away or scrape away in later stages the high points until you get complete chalk coverage when you rub it on. It's the way it's normally done, and it worked just fine. Well, it's the end of this bit here. The whole fitting of the bridge and the nut. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, all that jazz if you want to stay posted on further things.